Hello friends, today we learn how to create this amazing image blending in Canva with this magical app, Image Blender. So let's start. First select the page dimension 1280 by 270 pixel. Then drag image which you want to blend or merge together. Set like this. Make sure both images overlap on each other. Now go to app section and search Image Blender app. There are two ways we can blend image. One is linear and other one is radical. So first see the radical blender magic. Follow the process with me. Then save the image and download that image. Now I will show how you can blend images linearly. Then again drag images, set like this. Make sure again both the images overlap on each other. Then again go to the Image Blender app and click on the radical option. Follow the process. Now blend like this. So the image is ready. Now download that image. Now this type of effect you can use in the movie poster, banners and many more things. Thank you for watching my video. Comment down below. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.